Hello, wonderful people. Today I've got your recipe for buttery crumbly cookies that only require 3 ingredients. It's a very easy recipe. You'll need 1 cup of salted butter. I'm using Kerrygold butter, which is really high quality, but any other form of butter would work. It has to be very soft. Go ahead and break it down with a whisk. And then add half a cup of powdered sugar and whisk it into the butter until it's well combined and creamy. So 1 cup of butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and then 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift your flour into the butter mixture, and then you're going to need a spatula to just fold it in until everything is nicely combined. And that is it for the ingredients. So once your dough is ready like so, of course it should be firm enough to handle by hands. You're not piping this. So you'll need a tablespoon measurement for the bigger cookies. I made 2 sizes. For this big size, a tablespoon of dough. Mold it with your palm, with the palms of your fingers, of your hands, and then just shape it like so into a round ball, and then place it on a lined baking sheet. Now you'll need a fork to press on it gently in the middle and then pull the fork out gently so that you do not destroy the shapes. Do the same with all the pieces, but make sure to do one at a time, or let's say one row at a time, because once you place others behind, it's going to be complicated to press on the dough balls. So place 3 at a time and press them. Make sure it looks very easy, but if you don't do this nicely, either you'll mess up your shapes or they won't look as good. So go ahead and bake those. And I am also going to show you very quickly the small measurements. These ones are half a tablespoon measurements. Go ahead and do the same thing and bake them at 320 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. All sizes, same baking time and temperature. So these are the bigger cookies, they are done, and these are the smaller cookies, also done. And now let's break them and take a look, and we'll be done with this video. So the cookies came out looking good. The secret is baking them at a lower temperature so that they take time to brown uniformly. Those are the bigger ones and the smaller ones. They all came out looking good, and they are very crumbly and very delicious. Again, only 3 ingredients, and you have very yummy cookies to enjoy with your family. Hope you love this recipe, and I hope that I'll see you in more of my videos. Please do consider subscribing if you like this recipe, and check out more cookie recipes on my channel, as well as many other recipes that I have on the channel. Thank you very much for stopping by.